Okay, here's your standard run from the 5th on Saturday. That was nice. That was pretty nice. Oh, there's that blind cross again. Good. That was nice. Clean run, huh? Okay, well, I don't have a lot to say about this one except that blind cross. I don't like that. Okay, let's go back. I think you could have cued a better turn. Hang on, my thing's being weird. Whoops. Sorry, it was kind of doing something weird there. Okay, so you're starting to pull away this way. I can see that. You're shifting your weight and everything. And your shoulders are still forward. But you see, my thing isn't, it's kind of locking up on me. So you're sort of leaning to the left, which says you're going to take another, you're going to move to the left, but you still take another step forward right there. And it's, I mean, she gets to the triple and everything, but she tends to, she's capable of turning really, really tight, but when you do like what you did here, let's see how many strides she takes. So she lands, she takes 1, 2, you can't really see her now. Oh, I can see 2, 3, 4, 5. And so she swung way out here. So it's okay for this course because then she's going to go straight into here, and her, taking this path out here probably actually set her up better for the tunnel entrance. But, I like to be consistent in my handling and what that means to my dog and not just like course dependent. So just because it worked on this course, the next course it may not work. So let's just look at this again. So here she's taking off. It looks like you're about ready to come this way, but your shoulders are still forward. Your inside arm is up, which is cueing forward, which is fine. But then you take another step forward, and now you're kind of coming this way, but look, she's already landing. So that makes her kind of shoot out really wide there. So you could have, what you could have done was, there she's taking off. So right here, you should have started moving this way. And not in a rounded arc, but a direct line this way. That was nice. Again, here she reads it just fine, but okay, so your path goes kind of deep into here, and then you kind of make this abrupt corner. And because we know the A-frame is over there, I would like to see my dog jump on this part of the stanchion to get to the teeter. And let's look at what your dog does. See, I think she wasn't sure where to go, and she was preparing herself to go here. And if you look at your path, so here she is. Look, she's turning, okay? And now she's getting ready to take off. Here's the stride before she takes off. Here she's taking off, and you're kind of going that way. So it's not, you know, when she takes off, you should be going that way, like no question. Okay, so I think she had a little bit of a question there. And again, she got the jump, and it was fine. But see how it almost looks like she's changing leads in the air? I don't know if you can see that. Here she's on a right lead. Now it almost looked like she changed leads. Yeah. This is pretty nitpicky stuff, though. And you get your cross in. She kind of pops off. You need to be careful about your shoulders, because when you're turning her, you tend to do this over-exaggerated shoulder pull. You need to be careful about that. See, you do it right there. Okay, so here's the blind that I don't like. So kind of like in the last video, I don't know if you can leave her on the table. If you can't leave her on the table, then I would never have done a blind here. And there wasn't really anything, you know, else out beyond this jump for her to take. So it's not like you were going to get an off course, but it's all about consistency and handling. So you're coming towards the jump, you're coming towards the jump. Look, she took off right there. Wow, she took off really early. And your shoulders and your motion and everything is going this way. So she has no idea when she's taking off with this jump that she actually needs to go this way. So, as a result, see, now you're just turning and changing. And look, she's way out here. Now you've switched to the new side. So if you wanted to do the blind there, I would have led out from the table so that when she was about where she is, you would be here actually completing your blind. And you would have had to come right up to the stanchion and change sides and then go that way. And I think the rest of it is pretty good. Let's see. That looks pretty good. She knew to go to the A-frame, not the teeter. And I am not sure, I think she's probably supposed to stop on the contacts. So you want to be really careful about that behavior there, because she's really young. And if she's supposed to stop, then make her stop. Because see how she's jumping from right there? And yes, she's in yellow, but that behavior can deteriorate pretty quickly. So I would keep an eye on that. And she did the same thing on the A-frame. She kind of comes down and slows down, and then she jumps. So, but all in all, a pretty nice run.